Madison Beer's hair has been all over TikTok, and people wouldn't stop asking what she actually does to get it like that. So instead of making a whole video, she answered everything in the comments, and her routine is way more simple and honest than people expect. She started by saying not to fall for fancy or trendy hair products. On a regular basis, she just uses a hydration shampoo and conditioner and washes her hair about 2 to 3 times a week. The brand she uses is Milburn. Most of the time, she uses their smooth line. And when she's getting ready for events or wants more body, she switches to the Volume 1. She also mentioned that she only gets a professional hair gloss at the salon around every 6 months and doesn't use any of the at-home glosses people always recommend. After washing, she usually wraps her hair in a microfiber towel for about an hour, then blow dries it. Once it's dry, she styles it, and she admitted her hair is almost always styled. Heat does the trick for her, even though she knows heat isn't the best for your hair. At night, she said if she's really tired, she sometimes sleeps with her hair wet, even though she knows it's not ideal. But when her hair is styled, she doesn't do anything at all. She just leaves it down and sleeps on a silk pillowcase. And she also cleared something up that a lot of people were wondering about. She doesn't use extensions anymore. Anything you've seen in the last year at that length is her real hair. She only uses clip-ins when she wants a dramatic effect, like for a music video or a specific look. That's literally her whole routine. Nothing complicated, just consistency, styling, and knowing what works for her. Follow for more beauty routines like this.